One of the tasks that you will be required to write on the literacy test is the supported opinion paragraph. This video is designed to facilitate your preparation for the test.
The purpose for writing a supported opinion paragraph is to state an opinion and provide evidence to support it, and to persuade your audience of your point of view. What is a paragraph? Paragraphs are a form of written communication which contain a minimum of 5 sentences. Each sentence in a paragraph develops a main idea. If your paragraph does this, it is said to have unity. In addition, each sentence in a paragraph must be tied to the one before and after it, like links in a chain, by using special words called transitions. If your paragraph contains these links, it is said to have coherence.
In addition to unity and coherence, a paragraph must also have correct structure. That is, it should have an interesting topic sentence that states your opinion with a reason. It should have at least 3 supporting details or evidence to support or back up your opinion, and a concluding sentence that restates your opinion.
If I see another topic sentence like that, I'm going to just die.
The supporting sentences of the paragraph are called the body. The body develops and supports the main ideas with convincing evidence. In developing the body of your paragraph, it is often difficult to find supporting details. A good acronym to remember when writing supporting details is SAFE. Statistics, anecdotes, facts, examples, and/or emotive language.
Supporting details include statistics. For example, studies show that 87.21% of statistics are made up. Supporting details can also include anecdotes, which is a story or personal observation of the world. For example, when my family moved to Canada, they had difficulty adapting to the culture. For this reason, I now believe it is important for Canadians to be inclusive. Facts are another great way to add supporting details or evidence. A fact is a statement that can be proven. For example, it is a fact that strawberries are fruits. Examples are evidence used to support a claim. Examples often include expert opinions, historical references, current events, or scientific research. For example, Nellie McClung fought for the right for women to be considered as persons.
In order to make your paragraph particularly persuasive, one of the things that you may do is use emotive language. Emotive language is the use of words to play on readers' emotions. For example, our Prime Minister's bold response to the Syrian refugee crisis is causing some Canadians to feel frightened, to feel threatened, or, in some cases, outraged.
It is important to add transitional words to your paragraph. Transitional words help to signal to the reader that you are making a new point, giving an example of your point, or that you are ending your paragraph by summarizing everything you have said. You may include transitional words such as first of all, secondly, thirdly, and in conclusion.
The final sentence of a paragraph is the conclusion. The conclusion should reword the topic sentence and summarize your main arguments. The following is a sample supported opinion paragraph. Students should be allowed to eat in their classrooms because it's difficult for hungry children to learn. First of all, many children skip their first period class to get breakfast. If they were allowed to eat in their classes, it would reduce truancy. Secondly, some students have 3 classes in a row, so if they could eat light snacks in their classes, they would be more ready to learn. Thirdly, allowing students to eat when they're hungry lets students feel at home in their classes. In conclusion, students should be allowed to have a small snack in class if they are hungry. In much the same way you use the steps of the writing process in your regular classes, on the OSSLT it's important for you to do the same. This includes pre-writing or brainstorming and outlining your ideas, writing, your ideas in a logical order to suit the topic, audience, and purpose, and editing, or rereading your paragraph and fixing all the errors that could detract from your writing. After you've written your paragraph, you need to reflect on what you've written. Is your paragraph written in a thoughtful and coherent way? Have you answered the question and provided sound, logical evidence? Is your paragraph organized and well structured? And do you have spelling and grammatical errors?